Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Num Noms. Smell so delicious. Special thanks goes out to MGA for sending all of these Num Noms to us. Like the Num Noms Snackables SLIME kits, Num Noms Slime Sundaes, Num Noms Party Hair Series 2, and the Birthday Cake Slime Kit. Don't eat me! Not real food, do not eat. Those little reminders are everywhere to make sure that you know these are not real food. For ages 3 and up. Let's start by taking a look at the slime sundaes. Wait, did you just say slime and sundaes? Oh man, right when I got rid of my slime shop. But I still have the counter, so now we can make Num Nom slime forever! On the back of the box, you can see all of the different ones to collect, like Birthday Sundae, Strawberry Banana Sundae, Tropical Sundae, and Mint Chip Sundae. From the outside of the packaging, you can see which one you're getting to help you complete your collection. Let's take this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, we have a list of contents, quick start instructions, and important information. A collector's guide that shows the slime sundaes, the birthday cake slime kits, scented secret sauces, and big bites. All right, enough of that. Bring on the slime. Here is the sundae cup with a lid. We have 2 cups of slime, toppings, 2 characters, and a spoon. Remove the lid and the seal. This slime is pretty firm. It has a little bit of glitter in it. Since it's in the rounded cup, we know that this one goes in the bottom, so I'm going to put the lid back on it, then place it inside of the sundae glass. Oops. There we go. Remove the top from the other one. Ooh, this one is kind of pearly. Add toppings, then stir with the spoon. I'm thinking it might be easier to try to do this by hand. It is a little sticky, but we are getting that glitter all mixed up in there. Place it back in the cup, dip in our characters for a little fun, place it on the sundae to make our own slime creations. When we are all done, remove the characters, put the lid on top, place the slime inside the cup, close the leftover glitter in the container, place that on top, add the sundae lid, and it can be stored away until next time. I like how you don't have to mix your slimes if you don't want to. And you can store them inside of the sundae in individual containers. This one is the strawberry banana, and it smells really good. This is strawberry sorbet, banana bliss froyo, Nancy banana, the split sisters, and cream confetti. I like the pastel colors for this one. So this is our slime sundae collection so far. Up next, Num Noms Snackable Slime Kits. It says so many surprises inside. Let's open this up. I believe it's right here. Yep, there we go, we got it. And there's some tape. Let's just very carefully try to remove that. We have another collector's guide, instructions, and our slime kit. This looks like something strawberry. And here is something else. Lots of little somethings. And then there is this. These are strawberry and orange slimes. We're gonna open them up. We've got foam here, but I'm not smelling a strawberry scent. It smells more like soap. Let's open this. It looks like some kind of container where the bottom is left open. Okay, so it's not a container. It's more like a foam shaping device, kind of like a cookie cutter that we could use to shape our sticky rice, because that's what we are pretending this is. Let's open the other surprises. Looks like ears and cream. We can place that right on top. We should probably take this out first. Oh man, messed up the shape. In our other surprise bag, we have a little face that we can just attach right onto the front to make our own little Num Nom figure. Aww. Here is the orange one. Let's use half orange and half strawberry. Put them together and then place it inside of the little mold. Carefully remove it. This takes a little bit of work here. There we go. Flatten it back out. Add the accessories for a whole new look. This doesn't come with a way to store it, so you're gonna have to use a Ziploc bag from home. Here is our second one. This time we have another sticky rice set. This time the mold is an oval. We have a crown, another set of eyes, strawberry and marshmallow sticky rice. Remember, it's not really sticky rice. You don't want to eat this. Combine the marshmallow and strawberry together. Add the crown and the eyes to make fab feline. All right, third one. Hopefully we'll get something other than sticky rice this time. It does feel different, so that's good. Our first surprise is... oh, wow! It's Burr Bear Pop. This is cute. And to go with it, there is a bottle of soda. I feel like this might get a little messy, so we're laying down a protected surface. This is Grape Gulp. I'm thinking we have to remove the top. There's a little seal. So I'm going to remove that as soon as I can grab it. Put the top back on, and when we add a little pressure, it pops open. There is a very pretty purple glittery slime in there. Yeah, it's kind of wet. Our last surprise for this kit is a little corn dog named Cornella Dog, and it is a squishy. This is our fourth one. There were 4 bags inside. This is B-Day ice cream. It has blue, yellow, and pink sprinkles, flaky feline waffles, and an ice cream scooper. Oh, I wish this was a little bit smaller. Use the scooper to scoop out the ice cream. It is a little difficult. Place the ice cream on the waffle. Place the other waffle on top to make a waffle ice cream sandwich. I gotta say, the ice cream is definitely my favorite so far. Now I'm hoping for more ice cream. I would love to get more flavors and more waffles. What is this? It feels like another ice cream! Whatever it is, it's orange. Yes, it's tropical ice cream! We have a little ice cream bowl, a giant raspberry named Roxy Razzle, Nina Nana, and another ice cream scooper. Scoop out a big scoop of ice cream. Place it in the ice cream bowl. Oh wow, that looks so good. Add some fruit toppings for another Num Nom creation. Yeah, I am all about the ice cream. The texture, and it looks so colorful. I know it's not real food, but it looks delicious. We could totally use this as food for our larger dolls, like Journey Girls and other 18-inch dolls. She can hold the ice cream scooper. This is our last one, and yeah, all I want is ice cream. All I want is ice cream, and it's not ice cream. It's Pear O Pops, Orange Soda, and Cameron Corny. Still loving the ice cream. These Num Noms Party Hair Season 2 totally caught my eye because of the packaging. They look like little cake stands, and we could totally use this in the dolliverse. Inside, we found our surprise Num Nom, and it has hair. It's like fur hair, and it's separate. You just have to put it into the little openings on the top to give it a new do. This is the Poodle Peppermint, and you can see the new sparkles. We can place the top back on to use the little cake stand as a display. It comes with a collector's guide where you can see all the different options for sparkly hair. At the bottom, it says we can use them as a pencil topper. Let's open a few more. This is... okay. What is that, a sheep? Oh, sorry, it's a llama. Manny Mango. They are scented. This one smells very sweet. What is that, a raspberry? Oh, it's probably a strawberry. It's the Monkey Silly Seeds, and yes, it is strawberry. This one works pretty good as a pencil topper. 3 to go, and we have Ruby Raz, the unicorn. I feel like this one would make a really cute hat for our dolls. Oh yeah, a unicorn beanie is everything. But I had to remove the sparkly hair. This one is another poodle. I think this is Greta Gum with two-tone sparkly hair. Our last party hair Num Nom is the bunny Patty Peach. And it smells like peaches. I just can't get over how much I love the little cake stands. We can take some of the leftover slimes, stack them together to make foam cakes for our dolls that we can display in the little cake stands. We could have a Num Nom bakery with rows and rows of cakes on cake stands. Speaking of cakes, this is the Snackable's birthday cake slime kit. Out of the box, we have cake, more cake, more cake, more cake, and more cake. There are 4 slices. Each one is a little different, and there is one uncut piece of cake. There is a pink spatula, slime, sprinkles, an icing bag with a little nozzle tip, more slime, and 3 candles. There is a cake menu on the back of the box to show you different ideas to decorate your cake, or you can combine them all to make one giant cake. Make sure you are decorating your cake on a protected surface. Put the cake slices on top. I went every other color. Place a little slime in the center. Add the other cake. Now we're going to add some slime around the bottom. Try to make it look like it's oozing out. Carefully place a few drips. That looks pretty good. Add more slime on top. Add some sprinkles. Open the icing bag. Fill it with slime. Change the tip. Now we're going to add some icing. Oops, it opened up the other end. Okay, let's make sure that is sealed. And then, can we get it to go through? No. Let's just do this the old-fashioned way and swirl it around. Then place it on top. There we go, that works. I don't think I would win Sugar Rush with my cake decorating skills, but I'm gonna say it's not too bad. Add a few candles on top to make a cake that looks just like the front of the box. Well, sort of. It is fun to come up with your own slime creations, but this can get very messy, so make sure you play on a protected surface and always wash your hands after playing. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Num Noms Snackables. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.